Hi, I'm Mark, a licensed professional engineer, certified in embedded systems with over 27 years of experience in the field. I wasn't trained as a computer scientist, but like many engineers, I became a strong C developer early in my career. My journey with C++, well, let's just say it started rough. My first attempts were a disaster, but through perseverance, collaboration with colleagues, and a passion to learn, I discovered the power of C++. It's not about mastering everything, because no one truly does, especially in that language, but growing with it and using it as a force multiplier. I created this channel to help engineers like you, those who are proficient in C, but ready to take it to the next level. With C++, you don't need to drastically change your coding style to reap the benefits. It's a tool that lets you write a few lines of code that could possibly save you hundreds of hours. Whether you have some experience with C++ or not at all, this channel is your guide. Together, we will make your transition into C++ practical, efficient, and impactful. Now let's get started.